Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, and as you can see right there, just finished. Tagliatelle, cream, bacon, garlic, green peas, absolutely wonderful. A big firm favorite. Super easy to make. Tastes absolutely delicious. Let's not waste any more time. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, let's take a look at what we have here. So I've got my pasta cooked, tagliatelle. So that was a 500 gram packet and I've used half of it. So 250 grams uncooked. 250 grams of bacon. I like to use a streaky bacon. You can use a different type if you want. 1 cup of frozen garden peas, 1 onion, 200 mLs of cream. Now I'll get lots and lots of questions about this. You can use thick or thin cream. This is a thick cooking cream, but anything goes. Tablespoon of garlic, teaspoon of oregano. We're going to put some parmesan cheese in there. We're going to start this off with some olive oil. We're going to add salt and pepper. This is not so healthy, but absolutely delicious. Okay, so I've got a pan here and I've got some olive oil in there. You can use a different oil if you want, no problem. Now I'm going to drop in my bacon, 250 grams of bacon, 1 onion. I'm using red. Now what I've done with the bacon, as you can see, I've cut it into, small little pieces like that, bite-sized pieces. We're on a fairly lively heat. I've just put it on. We're going to go for about 4 minutes. Keep it moving. Okay, so we're 4 minutes in at the moment. Next up, we're going to drop in our garlic. The frozen peas. Teaspoon of oregano. Going to get some salt in there. Be careful with your salt because the bacon that you're using might be really super salty. Some black pepper. And then I'm going to go for another 3 minutes. If you want to get your bacon super crispy, go a little bit longer. Okay, keep it moving. We're on a high heat. Now I'm happy where my bacon is. Like I said, if you want it crispier, go for a little bit longer. We're now going to go for our cream. Like I said, I'm using a cooking cream, a thick cooking cream. You can use a runny, or what we call in the UK a single cream or double cream. Entirely up to you. It will all work out the same. Let's drop in some grated parmesan cheese. I've got some lovely fresh parmesan there, as you saw earlier. Please don't use that kind of dried stuff. It really is horrible. It really, it's better that you just don't put it in because it's so bad, that stuff. Okay, just about 1 or 2 minutes. Keep it moving all the time, of course, now. We're nearly done. Wonderful. Let's now drop in our tagliatelle, my cooked pasta. I've just lowered the heat just a little bit. What we're going to do now, 2 spoons I like to use. We're going to get that in there. We're going to throw it around on a medium heat now for about 3 to 4 minutes. And then I'll see you at the table. This has been done. Absolutely delicious. Okay, and there you go. Absolutely super easy, super healthy. No, it's not healthy, but super tasty. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We will see you soon. Lots of love.